Hello, people. And so, after long, again, I'm shooting a video. So, I just have to say this, that off late, I saw this movie Lukka Chupi on, it's on uh, Hotstar, I think. No, not Hotstar. Yeah, it's on one of these apps. And Lukka Chupi is hats off to the script writers these days. Yeah, they are like experimenting with new story ideas. I mean, agreed. Salam Namaste was the first time this live-in relationship was explored, but Luka Chupi speaks of live-in relationship in like interior, like in Gwalior, in interior India, Gwalior, and the lead characters are based in Mathura. So I think this it shows a shift in mindset. So that's what people like. The thing I liked best about Luka Chupi is the fresh casting. I mean, Karthik, Aryan and Kirti, Sanon, they're a very cute pair, and overall the movie is it's very exuberant. That exuberance comes through. So yeah, it's worth watching, a one time watch for sure. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.